Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
Which of the following temperatures is the lowest? 100 100 F, 100 K. They are all the same. The answer of the question is 100 degrees Celsius is the highest temperature. 100 Fahrenheit is the 37.8 degrees Celsius, and 310.7 K. 100 Celsius is 237.6 Fahrenheit, and 373 Kelvin. 100 K is negative 173 Celsius and negative 253.8 Fahrenheit. This is the correct answer of the question. If any question understand you comment, I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel.